Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, guys. 2016. If you open the hood on your Ford F-150, you're going to notice, guys, okay, now that right under the hood, that's your engine bay, that's your car battery. Right behind it, if we zoom in a little bit, you can clearly see that you have a fuse box right here, guys. That's the cover for the fuse box, and once you open that cover, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like this one. Now, this will be the front of the truck. That's where the car battery will be located. That's over the windshield side. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the power steering assist fuse, where it's located. As you can see, guys, we have different kinds of fuses, relays that could be Ford specific. They can be hard to find in small towns or impossible to find, or really overpriced at the parts store. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Check it out for your convenience, guys. Now, the fuse for the power steering assist will be in that fuse box right here, and if you come in that row, okay, right there, the very bottom fuse on the left side, guys, that 10 fuse is known as fuse number 105. That fuse is for the power steering assist that you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.